In this video, I'll show you how to set manual white balance inside FiLMic Pro so you can take full control of color temperature and tint inside the camera app. And we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White and welcome back to VideoZeus. If you want to learn how to spend less time making more videos, start by clicking that subscribe button now. Inside FiLMic Pro, you'll want to start by tapping on the imaging button in the lower left corner like so. Once there, you'll see this window appear on the screen. This is the main panel for controlling color temperature and tint inside the app. Let's start at the bottom where the icons are laid out. Each icon represents a different color temperature measured in degrees Kelvin. First up is the light bulb icon, which represents tungsten lighting or indoor shooting situations. This pertains to the lights you have around your living room, ceiling or recessed lighting, or the lamp on your desk. The temperature is at or around 3500 K. So if those are the lighting conditions you have available, you'll want to set it on the light bulb icon for tungsten lighting. Next is the sunlight icon, which represents natural sunlight. So this is best used for when shooting outdoors during the day in full sun. The color temperature is at or around 6000 K. Next up is the cloud icon, which represents cloudy conditions or when you might be shooting outdoors in the shade. The color temperature is at or around 6500 K. Like the sunlight setting, this white balance set is best used outdoors on a cloudy day. Next to that is a swirly bulb icon, which represents indoor fluorescent lighting conditions. The color temperature is at or around 5500 K. The setting pertains to overhead lighting, typically found in warehouses and office buildings. You also have the ability to save your own white balance presets. You see here A or B. To set these, simply hold down on A until a window pops up, then click on Save Current Values to preset. The last icon is AWB, which stands for the dreaded Auto White Balance preset. This preset will grab whatever condition you're in and match the lighting to its best ability. For the most part, it does a great job, but if you are using the AWB setting, please make sure you click on the icon once more to lock in your settings. If you don't, you'll experience color shift during your recording. If you want to go full manual, you can dictate the temperature and tint by using these sliders to achieve your desired result. Or if you want to drag both sliders collectively, simply click into the color space here and drag up, down, all around to set it how you wish. Now there are certainly a handful more custom settings you can activate within the FiLMic Pro app called the Cinematographer's Kit, which gives you the ability to shoot in log and more advanced curve and color controls. But you can certainly achieve great looking footage with your standard version of FiLMic Pro. If you haven't already downloaded my Before You Shoot guide, please follow the link in the show notes below. The guide will prove as a useful resource for each and every one of your video creations. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a like, and if you want to watch more videos just like this one, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss the release of our new videos. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos.